Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's lecture is very interesting and important. Today I will tell you the difference between elder and older. Okay. So let's start the lecture. Elder and older. So we use elder for people in family or relationships. Okay. For example, my elder brother, my elder sister. For comparing the age, we will use older. Okay, if we are comparing the age, okay, then we will use older instead of elder. Then we will not say elder, we will use older. For example, my sister is elder than me. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. Okay, my sister is elder than me. We are comparing the age. Okay, then we will not use elder. This is wrong sentence. We will say my sister is older than me. This is the right sentence. My sister is older than me because we are comparing the age in this. All right. Okay. Comparative of old is older. You know that. Old, older, older. So this is comparative form. Okay. He looks older than his real age. He is older than his real age. So we are comparing this. Okay. We will not say elder than his real age. No, this will be wrong then. Okay. Another difference is old or older is used for living and non-living things. Okay. Listen carefully. Old and older. Old or older is used for living and non-living things, but elder is only used for living things. For example, I will say, or I can say, my older watch. Okay, this will be right. I can't say my elder watch. No, because elder is used for living things. Okay, for relationships we use elder, but older we use for living things as well as for non-living things. I can say my older house, my older diary, my older pen, or this is my old pen or older pen or watch or house or anything for like non-living things. But we will not say my elder watch. No, this will be wrong. Okay, so let me summarize this. Elder is used for relationships. Okay, and older is and for living things. Elder we use for living things, for relationships. Older we use for living things and for non-living things. Okay, and we use for comparing the age. We use older. All right. I hope you will like this video. Thank you for watching.